Hey guys, this is a trade recap on the gold trade that I took today. We made well over 66,000 Rand today on a single trade. It is the first trade also of the funded account. So we're going to get into it, explain our thought process behind it, exactly why we took this position, and how we are teaching our students on a day-to-day basis to make trades like this. So the first thing that we always need to identify is trend flows. And obviously what we can see on gold is the past few days have been very, very bullish and running to the top side. So 10 to 1 in stats, we are also looking at edge fill, and we can see that on gold today, we had an 83% green candle day if it broke above the Asian range first. So that's ideally what we're going to be looking for coming into the market. So essentially, one, we've identified flows in the market. It's clearly bullish. Two, we have stats on our side, which would be 83% on the green candle day, meaning a bullish day, and seeing how price is reacting through Asian session, right? So as we can see, price obviously just opens. We are holding an Asian session that's kind of extended to the downside, obviously getting that beautiful corrective structure to the downside, and then on the higher time frames rotating higher. So we saw the rotation back into the top side here. We had a nice crack above Asian session range running. This is about 11 o'clock. So ideally, we haven't taken a position yet. We're still waiting and identifying exactly what we're going to get into when we're looking at this position. So we saw the crack above overnight high already giving us our stats, proving 83% for the day. Now running back into gold and seeing exactly what price is going to do. Essentially, where we're going to be looking is right about here, right? We're going to be putting our demand area at this point here. It's the last bearish candle before the bullish move. And essentially, we want to see maybe a rotation back to the top and then enter in this size over here, right? Again, so we want to see where price is going to extend. We see a beautiful extension to the top side, running right back down into our entry zone, right, as we can clearly see that. And not only that, just to get that extra little bit of confidence, we can even take a fib tool from the low to the high, right? And we can see that it bounces off that 61 and 71 area, which is absolutely beautiful. So we entered our small position on this little movement here on the 61, putting our stops just below that 71 level. So with the V1 model, essentially what we were targeting is already the 0.0 sector, okay? With our stops just below the low there, leaving it as a 1 to 4.6. Ideally, right? We did not put on full size straight away because of the volatility in the market. It was 330. We wanted to just be a little bit more sure within this trade idea, right? So we saw a nice, beautiful extension already in profits. At this point, again, management style is very, very important. So what we could have done is just put our stop loss at break even. At this point here at 2R, we cut a little bit of size off already, and then aiming to target that 0 point level, and then wanting to see an extension to the 27 mark, right? So we saw a beautiful extension past that 0% area, right? The confluences that we had in this idea was very, very beautiful. I mean, we had EMA rising on the 15 minutes, right? We can clearly see we tapped that 15-minute EMA. We tapped the 61, we tapped the supply, and waiting for a rotation to the top side. We had nice volume coming into the market at 330. So essentially, management was very, very important for me, as there's a lot of volatility in the markets, and we want to manage our risk as best as possible. So putting a stop loss at break even, letting this thing run. Essentially, we took a lot of our profits at this point here, just because we need to look at the daily time frame, right? If we go to the daily, we can clearly see where price was extended first. So obviously, this is replay tool. We wanted to watch out for this area. This was the last weekly highs, and we knew there would be some sort of reaction off the downside there. So we can clearly see, okay, cool, price obviously extended. But initially, once we had that push up from that level where we took most of our profits at around about here, we started to see a rotation back to the downside. We were holding very, very little size at this point. And then we saw, obviously, took our full take profit at the 27 mark, right? Because we were cutting our risk, managing our risk, stop loss and profits. And we just wanted to be out for the day, as it was the first trade on the funded accounts, making that 3%. As you can see on the top right here, it was 66,000 Rand that we made on this trade. Again, that obviously is just a little bit more than the 3%, but absolutely beautiful trade. Can't complain with it at all. We managed it correctly. We had beautiful volume coming off that 61 area, as well as our demand area, and then running off that EMA on the 15 and 30 minutes, right? Beautiful extension legs, beautiful rotation. This is exactly what we look for on a day-to-day basis in the market. I mean, we had the stats in our favor, as I said, with edge fill. We had our fib alignment, we had our supply alignment, EMA alignment, everything was really good. We call this an A grade idea within our institution, and this is the type of playbooks that we're looking for and trying to build around the different instruments that we're trading. So gold, this is in my playbook, this goes in my playbook, as it is an A plus idea. So first trade of the funded account, super happy with it. Again, we did take some trades on our personal capital as well, which we made some bang profits on, showcasing the funded account journey that I'm currently doing with you guys on this channel, as well as my TikTok page as well. So let's see where we can take it. Beautiful start to the series. Excited to see what your guys' reaction are. Excited to see where we can take this and how long it's going to take us as well. So I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy. Peace out.